Planning a trip while your green card application is still pending? It may seem harmless, but leaving the U.S. without proper travel authorization can derail your entire case. When you file Form I-485, Adjustment of Status, with USCIS, you're requesting a change of status within the U.S. If you depart the country before receiving the correct travel document, USCIS may treat your application as abandoned. This means your green card could be denied even if everything else about your case is perfect. To travel safely while your I-485 is pending, you must obtain an approved Form I-131, Application for Travel document, commonly known as Advance Parole. Once approved, you may depart and re-enter without automatic abandonment. But note, even with Advance Parole, entry is subject to Customs and Border Protection, CBP, discretion. Also note, some dual-intent visa holders, H-1B, L-1, may travel on their visa without I-131, but that exception comes with its own complexity. Common mistakes: 1. Leaving before your I-131 is approved. Many applicants file their I-485, then board a plane assuming it's okay, but this leads to abandonment. 2. Failing to keep proof of filing. Always carry your I-485, receipt notice form I-797C, and your approved I-131 document when you travel. 3. Ignoring the travel document type. If you get a combo EAD/Advance Parole card, it must clearly say, serves as I-512 Advance Parole. If not, your travel may trigger abandonment. Some takeaways for you. File your I-131 at the same time as your I-485 when possible. This strategy reduces risk of travel gap. Before booking flights, check processing times for I-131 in 2025. Some are taking several months. Short trips less than 6 months are safer. But even with I-131, if you have unlawful presence, prior removal, or visa bars, you still risk refusal. Always check your full immigration history. Carry additional proof, pending I-485 receipt, employment authorization, duplicate travel document, and letter of purpose for your trip. Travel tips and what to do if you've already left. Plan ahead. If your I-131 is still pending, delay travel. If you already left without advance parole, contact an immigration attorney immediately. Your I-485 may be considered abandoned. On re-entry, present your passport, I-131 approval or EAD/AP card, I-485 receipt, and make a clear explanation if CBP asks. Avoid long trips. While I-485 covers your adjustment request, taking long stays abroad, 6+ months, may trigger red flags about residence abandonment even with travel permits. By preparing well, you minimize risk and keep your green card path on track. Safe travels and smart planning. If you want to know more information, please connect with us.